Wealth doesn't always look loud. It's not always the Lamborghini, the flashy watch, or the Instagram flex. In fact, the people who are truly building net worth rarely advertise it. According to recent surveys, being considered rich now generally requires a net worth north of $2 million, and that number keeps shifting with inflation and asset prices. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about crossing a number. It's about patterns, infrastructure, control. You might not feel rich yet. You might not even think you're close. But there are silent indicators that show you're stepping into a different financial league. These are the shifts that separate people stuck in survival mode from those quietly building assets, cash flow, and long-term equity growth. Let's break down the 10 real indicators that you are becoming wealthy, even if nobody else notices yet. Number 1. Your health is an asset, not an afterthought. Wealthy people increasingly treat health as capital, not a side hobby, not something they get to later. They understand that energy is leverage. If your body is strong, rested, and optimized, your earning power multiplies. High performers are investing in preventive health, structured fitness, better nutrition, and sleep optimization. They strength train. They monitor biomarkers. They prioritize mobility. Why? Because productivity and cognitive clarity compound just like money does. If you're consistently investing in your health, even before buying luxury items, that's a wealth signal. Poor health drains money. Strong health builds optionality. When you stop bragging about working 80 hours exhausted and instead focus on sustainable output, you're thinking like someone who plans to win for 30 years, not just 3. There's a major difference between earning money and owning assets. If you're becoming wealthy, you're shifting from paycheck dependency to asset ownership. That might mean buying real estate with land underneath it. It might mean building a diversified stock portfolio of dividend stocks, index funds, ETFs, or equity in private businesses. Primary residences often represent a large percentage of household net worth. But wealthy individuals don't stop at one asset. They accumulate appreciating vehicles that generate cash flow, rental income, dividend income, or capital appreciation. If you think in terms of, how do I buy assets that pay me, instead of, how do I increase my lifestyle, you're on the wealth path. Owning assets with low or no debt attached, that's when your financial life starts to feel stable. When your mortgage shrinks and your portfolio grows, stress decreases. That's a silent but powerful wealth indicator. 3. You have the capacity to raise a family comfortably. This one is controversial but powerful. Raising children in 2026 is expensive. In many developed countries, raising one child to adulthood can cost well over $200,000, excluding college. Wealth shows up when children become a choice, not a financial threat. If you can support multiple dependents without sacrificing your long-term investing, retirement portfolio, or lifestyle stability, that signals surplus resources. It's not about traditional roles, it's about margin. If one parent can step back from work because passive income, business income, or dividend-paying ETFs cover expenses, that's wealth structure. The middle class optimizes for dual income survival. The wealthy optimize for time control and legacy building. If your household has breathing room instead of financial tension, you're climbing. In 2026, reputation is currency. You don't need to be famous, but your digital footprint should communicate clarity, competence, and credibility. Wealthy individuals understand narrative positioning. When someone Googles your name, what do they see? Chaos or coherence? Strong networks and deal flow often come from perception before performance. Investors back people. Partners collaborate with trusted names. If opportunities are starting to find you, instead of you chasing everything, that's a wealth signal. A polished personal brand creates leverage. It opens access to better capital allocators, higher-level business partnerships, and institutional rooms where larger deals happen. Wealth in this era is partially built on visibility, but controlled visibility. Time freedom without income is unemployment. Income without time freedom is dependency. Wealth is when both exist together. If you can step away for a week and your income continues, whether from rental properties, dividends, business systems, stock market appreciation, or portfolio diversification, you're building real wealth. If your money stops the second you stop working, you're successful, not wealthy. The wealthy structure income through equity ownership, scalable businesses, retirement accounts, REITs, mutual funds, and automated investment accounts. When your calendar becomes flexible and your financial stability remains intact, that's one of the clearest signs you're becoming wealthy. 6. You have financial infrastructure. As net worth grows, complexity grows. At some point, managing money on spreadsheets alone isn't enough. Wealthy individuals build infrastructure. Accountants, financial advisors, tax strategists, estate planners, sometimes even family offices. You begin thinking about asset allocation, tax efficiency, trust structures, 401k rollovers, IRA, VZs, Roth IRA decisions, and long-term capital gains optimization. When you transition from saving money to allocating capital strategically, your financial identity shifts. If your portfolio includes equities, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and perhaps exposure to private equity or venture investments, and you actively rebalance, you're operating at a different level. Wealth isn't chaos, it's structured. 7. You're never in a rush. Watch how wealthy people move. They're rarely frantic, rarely desperate, rarely reactive. Rushing is usually a symptom of financial scarcity. When bills are covered, when investments are compounding, when your emergency fund is strong, when your retirement portfolio is on track, your nervous system calms down. Wealth reduces urgency. You speak slower. You think longer term. You negotiate patiently. You don't chase every hot stock or panic during a market correction. In a bear vs. bull market cycle, wealthy investors rely on risk management and dollar-cost averaging, not emotional reactions. If you're no longer emotionally shaken by daily volatility, you're developing financial maturity. That's a quiet wealth signal. 8. You have geographic and lifestyle flexibility. Wealth increases optionality. If you can relocate for better opportunities, climate, taxes, or safety, that's power. Some wealthy individuals hold multiple residencies or passports. Others simply have the liquidity to move cities or countries without financial disruption. Geographic flexibility also shows up in travel. You're not saving for 12 months to take one trip. Travel becomes integrated into life. It's not about first-class flights. It's about the ability to move without stress. When your environment becomes adjustable instead of permanent, you're building leverage. Wealth is the ability to change coordinates. 9. Your assets compound quietly. The wealthy rarely chase quick flips. They buy assets with a 10 to 20-year horizon. Dividend stocks reinvest through drip strategies. Real estate cash flow gets reinvested. Business profits purchase more equity. Compounding is slow at first, but over time it becomes exponential. If you're more interested in capital appreciation, stock market analysis, and long-term investing than gambling on short-term hype, your mindset is shifting. Wealth is built in silence. You won't always see fireworks, but you will see steady net worth growth, and that's far more powerful than a temporary spike. 10. You're optimistic because you own the upside. The final indicator is psychological. Wealthy people are often optimistic, not because they're naive, but because they're positioned. If you own equity in businesses, if you hold index funds tracking the S&P 500, if you own dividend-paying ETFs, if you have rental properties generating cash flow, you benefit when the economy grows. Optimism becomes logical. When you are a participant in economic expansion instead of just a consumer, your mindset shifts. You stop fearing every headline. You start thinking in decades. You see opportunity in volatility. And that's when wealth truly begins to feel real. Wealth is structure, not noise. You don't wake up wealthy overnight. You build systems. You accumulate assets. You protect time. You invest in health. You think long term. If you recognize even 5 of these indicators in your life right now, you are further ahead than you think. Wealth in 2026 isn't about flashing money. It's about building quiet leverage, assets that work, income that flows, and freedom that compounds. So ask yourself honestly, are you consuming wealth or constructing it? Because the difference between those two paths will define your next 20 years. Know in the comments what all did we do right so that we can improve and keep doing that better. Don't forget to share this video with at least one person who will get some insights, because one video is enough to give people enough ideas to change their lives. I'll see you in the next video, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.